Lamelli Growing Homes, where aerospace engineering meets revolutionary living. Our modular system means better quality, premium finishes, and military-grade precision in every home. At its core, every Lamelli home features an aerospace-grade aluminum composite frame, engineered to expand seamlessly in any direction. Our advanced fireproof and weatherproof walls and roofing system maintain perfect indoor climate from Alaska to Arizona, delivering unprecedented comfort in any season. Each home showcases state-of-the-art smart glass technology, delivering instant privacy and remarkable energy savings. This intelligent system actively regulates temperature and light transmission, while integrated smart glass skylights transform any ceiling into a window to the sky. Here's what makes Lamelli truly extraordinary. Your home evolves with your life. Every wall panel and smart glass can be repositioned to redefine your living space. Expand rooms, transform layouts, and reinvent your home instantly. No contractors, no disruption, no waste. Lamelli Growing Homes, the future of living, available today.